Hey everybody, Tim Coates here with Ethos Car Care, and today I'll introduce you to our brand new product, Easy Glass. Now, Easy Glass was specifically designed for glass and windshield surfaces, making this extremely durable and very easy to use, hence the name. Now, don't let this little bottle fool you. This packs a punch and gives you over 12 months of durability on any glass surface with extreme resistance to water spots, windshield wipers, detergents, and other cleaners to ensure the best visibility in even the most harsh conditions. Now, unlike traditional ceramic or graphene coatings, this product is made specifically for glass substrates. This means we've been able to formulate a product that requires no cure or no flash time. So all you need to do is apply it, wipe it off, and you're ready to hit the road. And now let me show you just how easy it is to prep and apply this coating. All right, now that we have our gloves and all of our tools ready, all you need is a bottle of Easy Glass, which comes with an applicator, a couple microfiber towels, our Clarity glass cleaner or our detox coating prep, and you're ready to go. Now, for best results, we do recommend clay barring and polishing your glass prior to this process. This ensures your glass is as clean as possible. Since glass is made of silica, it tends to be more of a porous substrate than your clear coat, so different chemistries. That means your glass is more prone to having deep embedded contaminants like water spot etching or debris or contaminants from the environment that could affect the bonding and the performance of the glass. So unless you have a new car, and even for new cars out there, clay bar and polish the glass for the best results. And this demonstration, we're gonna go directly from cleaning the glass to applying it to show you just how quick that process is. All right, so for this demonstration, we're only gonna be coating the passenger side of the windshield here. So I'm going to show you the 50-50 results at the end of this video and show you just how well this product works. So we're gonna tape line down here down the middle, just to show the before and after, so you can see really some tangible results of the product in action. All right, so the first step is going to be grabbing one of our towels here and our Clarity glass cleaner, and we're just going to liberally apply the glass cleaner to the glass, ensuring that the glass is as clean as possible. Now, because we bond and because we make all of our products with chemistry pairing in mind, this glass cleaner is actually going to prep the surface very well prior to installing the coating, and the ingredients that are in the glass cleaner are not going to interfere with the bonding process. So once this glass is clean, I can see that there's no stuck on contaminants, there's no embedded debris, anything I can get away with the coating, because we did clay and we did polish the glass beforehand. We want to make sure it's as clean and as prepped as possible. We're going to take our Easy Glass coating bottle, give it a good shake. Now, this may look like a small bottle, 15 milliliters. This bottle will actually coat many vehicles. A little bit of this product goes a very long way. So if you have a Tesla that's all glass, you have an SUV or a truck with a lot of glass surfaces, don't fear, you'll be able to apply multiple layers with this small bottle and get long-lasting results. Now, we're gonna grab our applicator here. We're gonna open the cap of our coating bottle, and we're gonna apply a decent amount to the applicator here. Enough to get nice even coverage, 15, 20 drops or so. We're gonna take our coating and we're gonna start on the outside, and we're gonna box in our coating area. And you can see when you're applying it, it's very slick. And unlike other coatings, it's not gonna rainbow as distinctly. So you wanna make sure you're applying this very evenly. You're not gonna be missing these spots. You wanna be very thorough. And when I'm noticing that some of the coating's not applying as much, I'm gonna apply some more drops to the applicator here. And we're just gonna go back and forth and fill in all the glass surfaces, top to bottom, ensuring even coverage. Now, the benefit of this coating is that there's no flash and there's no cure time. So typical coatings, you apply it and you have to kind of watch the rainbow as the solvents evaporate to see when it's ready for wipe off. Now, we can literally go and grab a towel and wipe this off right now, and it's not going to affect the bonding process. Or we can coat all the glass, come back and wipe off all at once, and it's not going to be too long for you to wipe off and be difficult. So it really does make it extremely easy. In fact, this is our easiest to use coating to date. And you'll see with the wipe off, it's extremely slick. So we're going to take our towel here, and we're just going to start buffing off the coating. Now, if a little bit gets on the paint surface, it's not the end of the world. We do want to be diligent though and make sure that we're applying this to the glass. This is not going to be and it's not going to work on painted surfaces because this was designed specifically for glass. So if you get some on the paint, just go ahead and remove it. No harm, no foul. Now flip the towel over. We're going to go ahead and buff off one more time and double check all the results here. It's looking good to me. So as you can see, it doesn't get much easier than that. We prepped the glass, we did clay and a polish. We cleaned the glass, make sure there's no contaminants, no dust or anything, any residue, and we applied the coating. Didn't have to wait for it to flash, wiped it off, and now it's ready to show you the results. Thanks for watching, guys. Easy Glass is your go-to glass coating for extreme durability and long-lasting performance, easier than ever. Now let us know if there's any questions. Feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel and our YouTube for many more updates and many more new products in the future. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.